so I'm over here at Advanced Home Health Care. I'm looking at I'm cambered out to the city sewer main already. That's what you can see flowing. You can see the busted fittings here going down to that connection. That needs replaced all the way or repaired all the way down to the city main. Even a little bit off center there, separation. And so this fittings here are busted as well. You can see they're just kind of laying there, kind of like a puzzle. They're just asking to be knocked out. It could become unserviceable. Busted pipe everywhere. Another offset there. It's a change in direction slightly, but here you see it's another separation. The pipe are not set to square with each other. This is PVC here. There's been a repair here somewhere along the line. And back to clay again. Another separation. Not a good thing the way that is. The water has to jump up to get out. Kind of pulling along, but you can see it's just stuff everywhere. It's just needing attention. You see all the cracks in it. Every joint, pretty much, is dang near all of them have something going on. Issue there. Now we're up here near the building where Alpha has replaced sewer line already.